another beautiful day and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we have everything on the table. Did I say everything? Oh my. Today you are going to learn how to make authentic waakye stew. So as you can see, I have my beef or cow meat here. I have fresh tomatoes, I have oil, green bell pepper, bakushito or pepper, wele. Have wele why? Oh, I have 10 tomatoes, I have onions, ginger, garlic, scallions, some beef seasoning and fish stock. So guys, I can't wait. So let's get started. So I have in my blender the garlic, ginger, onions, scallions, green bell pepper. So I'm going to add some natural season to it. Yes, I'm going to add. So this is enkete. I'm going to add enkete and rosemary. I'm going to add water to it to make it blend faster and easier. So as you can see, I have my meat on fire. So I'm going to add the blended vegetables. Then I'll add the beef seasoning. And salt. So I'm going to add a little water to it. So at this point you can taste and see if the seasoning and the salt is okay. Yes, it's okay. Everything is nice and everything is going on well. So I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to add my wele to it. Okay, so this is cow skin. Yes. I'm going to add it to it. I'm going to allow it to cook for more minutes. So we are done with our meat. We are going to continue with the other process. We're going to continue with the rest by frying the meat. So I'm going to preheat my oil. So whilst the oil is on fire, let me tell you a story. When going to secondary school, I had a problem with cooking. So my dad always used to complain about my food. So you always be like, hey, learn how to cook, learn how to do this, learn how to do that. Please, let's check if the oil is hot enough for the meat. Okay, so I'm going to add the rest of the meat. Let me continue with the story. So learn how to cook, learn how to cook. So he actually reported me to my hostel mistress that I don't know how to cook. And people in the house find it very difficult to eat me. So what I did was I I decided to learn from a friend. After secondary school, I decided to learn from a friend. So that friend is called Lobby. And I learned a lot from her. She was a good cook. So I'm saying this because that time I couldn't get a chance to watch some of these videos on social media, especially the YouTube. Though it was there, but it wasn't common as it is now. So parents, I'll plead with you that now that this social media thing is common, let's help our kids to make good use of it. Let's subscribe to some of these channels like Practice Cooking and the rest to help them learn how to cook. And what I told you, the true story that happened to me. So let's help our kids to learn how to cook some of these things and allow them to enter the kitchen. Some parents will be like, I don't want to hurt you, I don't want you to get hurt, and I don't want you to get close to the fire because I want you to have a perfect skin, please. They will have a perfect skin. But there's no need to have a perfect skin and you don't know how to cook. Okay, so let's help our kids and let's allow them to watch some of these cooking channels and we thank me later. Okay, so as you can see, I have the meat in the oil. I'm going to fry only the meat, please. I'm not going to fry the really. Someone may say that, hey, that's all no. Yes, I cook the cow skin too, but I'm not going to fry it. I'm going to remove the meat from the oil. So I'm using the same oil for my stew. So I'm going to add the onions to it. My blended vegetables to go in. I'm going to add one fish stock here. So I'm going to add one shrimp stock. So I'm going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay. So I'm going to add the tomatoes to it. So that's the fresh tomatoes. I've blended everything and the tomato paste. So I'm going to give it a gentle stir and allow them to cook together. I don't want to overcook our stew. I'm going to add the stock and the willet to it. going to cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So I'm going to check on my stew. I'm going to add the fried meat to it. I'm going to add a bit of the prosciutto. So you squeeze it and you leave it to stew. I'm glad you made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to this channel.